Hello everybody, I'm Bhuvneshwari and I'm a climate friend. The issue that I'm going to be talking about today is wildfire. Wildfire is an uncontrollable fire spreading through the forest that can annihilate anything that comes in its way. This affects the climate as it increases deforestation and as a sign of the increasing heat. These destructive wildfires can be prevented by just taking care of a few things like immediately reporting an unattended fire, being careful around campfires and making sure to extinguish them after use, being cautious around any kind of flammable liquids as even a drop of these can cause a fire, not using fireworks near forests as any of the trees can easily catch on fire. I individually can contribute by spreading awareness throughout the society about these wildfires and making sure to be really careful around fires like these. Thank you, World Climate School.
I am Akanksha Chobisa and I am a climate friend. The biggest effects of climate change is global warming, such as oil drilling, fertilizers, natural gas drilling, and deforestation. According to me, the solutions are power your home with renewable energy, invest in energy efficient appliances, reduce water waste, and pull the plugs. We should also not use electrical gadgets such as TVs, mobile phones, and ACs. According to me, we can save our earth in very easy way by reduce, reuse, and recycle, conserve water, and the most important, by planting a tree. As a climate friend, I would request you all to plant a tree to reduce global warming. I thank World Climate School. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Arya Khan and I'm a climate friend. I would like to share problem about climate. Climate change is having very serious impact on the world's water system on through more flooding and drought. So according to me, the possible solution of climate change is forests can soak up excess rainwater, preventing runoff and damage from flooding. By realizing water in dry season, forests can also help and provide clean water and to mitigate the effect of drought. And if I talk about myself individually, flood and drought are big issue because so many people and animals are dying and suffering from so many problems. So I can suggest construction of deep well and bore well and repair of those which are defect and continuous repair of hand pumps. Thank you, World Climate School.
Hello, I am Archit Jain and I am a climate friend. So according to me, the biggest problem is global warming. To me, the possible solution to global warming is reduce using radioactive things like fossil fuel, etc., like mobile phone, TV, petrol and diesel, etc. And instead of this, we can plant trees and prefer cycling and walking to travel short distance. I talk myself. I love nature and love to cycle, and I will spread awareness to plant trees and save our nature. Thank you, World Climate.
My name is Chinmay Megawal and I am studying in 9th B. Today I am telling you about the global warming day, how the global warming begin and how do we reduce it. So, the global warming is the long-term heating of Earth's climatic system observed since the pre-industrial period between the 1850 to 1900. Due to the human activity, the fossil fuels are burning, which increases the heat of the Earth's surface. In greenhouse, also the major effects that contains global warming increases, and we were seen at the levels of Earth's atmosphere. And then now we are seeing how to reduce it, the global warming. So change a light. How? See, replacing one regular light bulb with a complex fluorescent light bulb will save 120 pounds of carbon dioxide per year. And drive less. walk, bike, cycling, take a mass or transit more often. You will save the carbon dioxide of every mile. Don't drive. And recycle more. You are and recycling your household waste that contains 240 pounds of carbon dioxide per year. Check your tires. Keeping your tires properly improve your mileage by more than 3%. Every gasoline save keeps 20 pounds of carbon dioxide per year. And avoid the products of lot of packaging. So avoid the products of lot of packaging that contain the global warming, and it reduce 1200 pounds of carbon dioxide. Plant a tree. If you plant a small tree, the small tree will reduce a 1 ton of carbon dioxide during his lifetime. And turn off the electric devices. Simply turn off the electric devices like television, mobile, stereo, laptop when you are not using them. They save thousands pounds of carbon dioxide. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Deepti and I am a climate friend. Climate change is having serious impacts on the world's water system through more flooding and droughts. Warmer air and can hold a higher water content, which makes rainfall patterns more extreme. Rivers and lakes supply drinking water for people and animals and are a vital resource for farming industry. A climate change may agree with the erosion, decline in organic matter, salinization, soil biodiversity loss, landslides, desertification, and flooding. The effect of climate change on soil carbon storage can be related to changing atmospheric CO2 concentrations, increased temperatures, and changing precipitation patterns. So, can we stop climate change? Yes. Well, we cannot stop global warming overnight or even over the next several decades. We can slow the rate and limit the amount of global warming by reducing human emissions of heat trapping gases and soot. Once the excess heat radiated out to space, Earth's temperature would stabilize. So, what can be the solution? The solution can be changing our main energy sources to clean the renewable energy. Solar, wind, geothermal, and biomass could be the solution. Our transport methods must be aligned with environmental requirements and reduce their carbon footprint. Okay. As taking individually, I am doing many activities like sowing seeds and more. So, one way I have put that I have made one thing that with my family members that on their birthdays we will plant maximum 5 trees, each of them. Like a family is having 4 people, then the four all each will plant at least 5 trees. So this is my individual activity, and we should also plant trees, stop deforestation and all that. And thank you so much WCS, and we are the nature and we will save the nature.
Hi, my name is Kanishka Meena and I am a climate friend. According to me, the factors affecting the climate change most are the industry development and urbanization, because they are causing deforestation and air pollution. It can be decreased if government issues a number of industries and factories to be constructed each year. I will try my best and grow as many trees as I can and motivate my friends and family to do same. And thank you World Climate School for awareing people about this global issue and making up our bright future. Thank you, DCS.
I'm Kanishka Soni and I am a climate fan. So, according to me, world climate change refers to the change in the environmental condition of the earth. These climate change are having various impacts on the ecosystem and ecology. Due to these changes, a number of species of plants and animals have gone extinct. There are some problems related to climate change like increased heat, droughts and insect outbreaks, all linked to climate change, have increased wildfires, declined water supplies, reduced agriculture yield, health impact in cities due to heat, and flooding and erosion in coastal areas are traditional concerns. Now, we are the only people who can change these climate effects. So, here are some preventions. For example, renewable energies like changing our main energy source to clean and renewable energy, sustainable transportation, all pollution prevention, waste management and recycling, sea ocean prevention, and circular economy. So at last, I would like to say thank you to the World's Climate School, and also we need to save our environment and our world. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Khushbu Goyal and I am a climate friend. As you all know, because of climate changes, we are facing a lot of problems. One of the main reasons is pollution. So to decrease the pollution, there are many ways. So we should plant trees at least one in a year, and we should stop using polythenes and stop using vehicles for less travel. At last, I would like to thank World Climate School. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Ms. Bashik and I am a climate friend. According to me, some problems related to the climate change happens due to global warming. It changes all the conditions of climate of a region. And according to me, some solutions of this problem can be done by stopping this thing. The first one is reuse plastic shopping bags, tins, cans, jars, newspapers, plastic bottles, glasses, etc. And the second thing is don't keep TV, DVD and VCR on standby. The third one is avoid products with a lots of packaging. And the last but not the least, turn off electronic devices if we are not using them. And if I like to talk about myself individually, I love to grow plants personally, and I planting many plants in a one day, and I am spreading awareness to plants, trees and to save our beautiful nature. And the one important thing I wanted to say, that if there are trees and plants, then we are. Without trees and plants, we are nothing. And the biggest thank you I wanted to say to World Climate School. Thank you.
Hi there. My name is Mohit Joshi and I am a climate friend. We are going to suffer from a major problem, which is climate change. Climate change is a slow taking process. It's a fast taking process which will completely change our lives within few years. How can it be stopped? It can be stopped by planting more trees every year. Everyone should do their best in planting trees. Everyone should plant one tree on their birthday or any program at their home or any occasion. Everyone should plant one tree. And I have done my best. I have planted 20 plants in 1 month and 3 trees in 5 years. Thank you, World Climate School.
I'm Muskan Babar and I'm a climate friend. Climate change is having serious impacts on the world's water systems through more flooding and droughts. Warmer air can hold a higher water content, which makes rainfall patterns more extreme. Rivers and lakes supply drinking water for people and animals and are a vital resource for farming and industry. The largest contributors to climate change are electricity and heat production. It is the largest single source of global greenhouse emissions. To prevent climate change, we need to minimize the burning of fossil fuels. We need to plant more and more trees. We should switch to the use of renewable energy like solar power, tidal energy and geothermal energy. We should also try using sustainable transport. We should all try to make our efforts as an individuals too. Individual actions may seem insignificant, but together, the small steps of many people can have an astonishing impact. Thank you, World Climate School.
Hi, my name is Sakina Kholia and I am a climate friend. There are many problems in the climate and the one of biggest problem is water pollution. As we all know, life without water can't be imagined. Water is the required existence of life. Water is the most important element that cannot be replaced. And the main source of water pollution includes the overflow of sewage of them or maybe domestic sewage in clean water bodies. So to cure this, we can just do few simple things, or maybe just one simple thing, to put all the garbage in trash cans instead of water bodies. So we just keep it clean, and that's all for it. Thank you, World Climate School.
Morning. My name is Khadija Kholia and I am from class 6th and I am a climate friend. Pollution is a problem that has become more and more pressing over the last few decades. There are different kinds of pollution: air pollution, noise pollution, water pollution and soil pollution, all of which are incredibly harmful to the environment. These refer to contamination of the air, fumes and unwanted noise. Contamination of water bodies and that of land respectively it is needless to say that these are rigid examples of pollution due to urbanization. That's all for it. Thank you, World Climate School.
Hello everyone, I am Basant Kumar and I am also one climate friend. And you can also call me nature lover or wildlife lover, all kind of sorts of things, because I love nature a lot. So today I am going to discuss one important point which is hampering my mother nature, that is ozone layer depletion, which is happening nowadays a lot more than it used to be there before 20, or I should say 2 or 3 decades back. So it was not there that much, but now it is depleting a lot nowadays. The reason for that is basically, before going for the reason, let's understand what is ozone layer depletion. So our Earth atmosphere has been covered with one layer of the ozone, and that we call as ozone layer. So what is the purpose of that ozone, my dear students or my dear friends? The purpose of that ozone layer is that it restricts the UV radiation to fall onto the Earth's surface. And what is the benefit of that? Because if UV radiations are coming onto Earth's surface, that they may lead to a lot of problems. For example, they may lead to skin cancer, they may lead to any other kind of cancers, and they may lead to eye cataracts and many mental and health problems as well. And along with that, UV radiations are high energy radiations. Being a student of chemistry, I would like to inform you all that radiations which are in UV are high energy. So that means that high energy is definitely leading to ionize all the particles which are present on our surface, and they are definitely going to hamper a lot of aquatic life. They are the food of the aquatic life, and ultimately they will disturb the food chain also. So in a whole, one ozone layer depletion may lead to complete imbalance in the system, in our living system or in our life system, may it be aquatic, may it be the land animals, whatever we call them. So if we talk about the public solution which should be done in favor of this, is that we should avoid as many, we should not use many of the vehicles, we should use public transport. And let me tell you, at my personal level, what I am doing to stop this problem. I recently bought one car, but now I am planning to go for the CNG version of that. So basically I will try to get a CNG installed in that car so that I can use that. And I have stopped using it for the daily use, but I am using it very occasionally. And it is also one reason that the gases emitted by the car or any kind of vehicle are leading to ozone layer depletion. Along with that, let me tell you one more information, that from the last 2 years, before 2 years I used to have one air conditioner in my room, and at my home we had 2 ACs, but now I have strictly instructed all my family members that avoid to use AC as much as possible. And the reason is that if we are using AC and if we are changing the gas, so ultimately at some time that gas which is there, that refrigerant which is there, that may go into the atmosphere, and they are the major contributors like CFCs and HCFCs. So this is my thing, and I heartily thank World Climate School and Mr. Hans Jorgen for his great idea to discuss these small stories, that what we need to do at our individual level for our mother nature. Thank you, World Climate School.
Hello everyone, I am Meenal and I am a climatic friend. As to my opinion, the plastic pollution assures plastic objects and material, example plastic bags, bottles and microbeads. In the environment, the plastic arrives effect in wildlife habitat and humans. Most important, plastic pollution harms the marine life. The plastic litter in the water is mistaken for food by the aquatic animals. We must use alternative products like cloth bags and paper bags instead of using plastic bags. If we are purchasing plastic, we must reuse it. As to a human being, we can prevent plastic waste by bringing your own shopping bags, stop buying bottled water, and stay no to plastic straws. As my individual opinion, I have built my own garden and do the reuse of the plastics, as making the hanging plants and using campers as the growing vegetable plants. So, thank you, World Climatic School.
Hello everyone, I am Nitya Dhabai and I am a climate friend. Climate change affects our mental health. How? So increase in the global warming, increase in the temperature. It has been seen that most of the criminal activities and aggressive behavior is seen during hot summer months, suggesting a link between aggressive behavior and temperature. So as to overcome this, we can plant a tree. A single tree will absorb 1 ton of carbon dioxide over its lifetime. Second thing can be recycling more. You can save 2,400 pounds of carbon dioxide per year by recycling just a half of your household waste. So for this, day before yesterday, I bought more than 23 plants and I am going to plant that. Also, I am trying to reduce the use of plastic things. Recycling turns things into other things, which is like magic. And thank you so much, World Climate School, for all those amazing sessions.
Hello, my name is Parul Joshi and I am climate friend. And there are some major problems which are done by us. Deforestation and the global warming, which are increasing day by day. And we can decrease the amount of deforestation and the global warming. We can do something. For example, we can plant more trees and cut less trees for the deforestation. And we can use public transportation for traveling, and we can use bicycles, and we can walk for the short distance. And we can use less electronic materials, so the global warming will decrease. And I am thankful to the World Climate School, which taught me many things, and I am thankful to everyone who taught me that I can take the action for the nature. And thank you.
Hi, I am Rakshita Porwal of class 7A and I am a climate friend. There are many problems like deforestation, global warming, pollution, etc. Deforestation causes global warming. Because of deforestation, wildlife are decreasing and the people are cutting down trees for making furnitures like cupboard, sofa, bed, etc. But we can make furnitures with iron also. Then we can save many trees, and cutting down forests results in decreased level of oxygen and humidity from the atmosphere. And the solution are that we should not cut trees, but people cut down, and we should plant more and more plants. If we want to go for a short distance, so we should not use vehicle. We should go by walking. People also washes clothes in the lakes, rivers, etc. and they don't keep water clean. And then we get less water, and we also get dirty water to drink or to do anything. And in many places, people don't have water to drink also. And we should not waste water, we should save water. And the water in which we use, we can reuse the water again, but we don't do that. So please save water. Thank you, and thank you World Climate School.
Hello everyone, I'm Sakina and I'm a climate friend. According to me, the major problem for the climatic changes is deforestation. We as human beings are cutting down trees for different kinds of constructions like constructing roads, constructing buildings, industries, etc. Due to which the natural forest and wildlife sanctuaries are being disconnected from each other. And because of this deforestation, there are villages constructed in between of the forest and sanctuaries, due to which the animals are not able to freely move from one forest to other forest, and from one wildlife sanctuary to other wildlife sanctuary. Along with that, we also know that how deforestation is causing a drastic impact and a drastic change in climate by increasing the temperature, that is global warming. Also there is scarcity of rain, and then there are various other problems also which we are facing because of it. Thus, according to me, I feel that the probable solution to this deforestation is of course afforestation. We should grow more trees. Growing of trees will not only reduce the temperature, that will reduce the global warming, but also it will bring rains. It gives us oxygen as well. Thus, I feel that growing of more trees is a best solution for the given problem. And not only just planting a seed is what it needs, but along with it, the seed needs to be nurtured. The seedling, the baby plant needs to be taken care till it becomes an adult tree, which then can be used in different ways, like giving us fruits, giving the oxygen to us. Also, it gives us shade when it is too sunny. Thus, we can plant more trees in the solution, and grow more trees is my slogan for this climatic change. And I thank to World Climate School, because they have made us aware about the drastic impacts which are being caused by this different problems on the climate, and how they are becoming very crucial and they are going to create a huge disaster in near future. Thus, I request every one of you to become a climate friend and grow more trees. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Tehseen Khan and I am climate friend. So, climate change is yet another environmental problem that has surfaced in the last couple of decades. It occurs due to rise in global warming, which happens due to increase in temperature of the atmosphere by burning fossil fuels and release of harmful gases by industries. According to me, climate change is already happening. Temperatures are rising, drought and wildfires are starting to occur more frequently. Rainfall patterns are shifting, glaciers and snow are melting, and the global mean sea level is rising. To migrate climate change, we must reduce or prevent the emission linked to human activities. So, the main ways to stop climate change are to pressure government and business to keep fossil fuel in the ground, invest in the renewable energy, switch to sustainable transport, help us keep our home cozy, improve farming and encourage vegan, protect forests like Amazon, protect the oceans, reduce how much people consume, reduce plastic. According to me, individual action on climate change can include personal choice in many areas such as diet, means of long and short distance travel, household energy use, consumption of goods and services, and family size. Individuals can also engage in local and political advocacy around issues of climate change. 10 ways you can help fight climate change. First, urge government to take bold and ambitious climate action now. Second, use wisely and save money too. Third, get charged up with renewables. Fourth, eat for climate stable planet. Fifth, start a climate conversation. Sixth, green your commute. Seventh, consume less, waste less, enjoy life more. Eighth, invert in renewables and divest from fossil fuel. Mobilize for local climate action. 10th, politically active and vote. Thank you, and thank you to World Climate School.
Hello everyone, I am Vian Sharma and I am a climate friend. As we all know that our environment is badly affected due to the reason of climate change. Now, out of several reasons, one of the major reasons is that our environment is affected with the reason of deforestation, which I think personally. As we all know that vegetation absorbs the harmful gases like CO2, methane and the harmful rays of sun, which in turn reduces global warming. But we humans always happen to cut it every single day. The problem of deforestation can be solved by planting more and more trees, restoring the lost forest, enforce strict government laws to stop cutting trees, reduce, recycle and reuse of plastic or paper and wooden items, organize the plantation program, create awareness about the adverse effects of deforestation and proper planning of land use to reduce urban sprawl. I will plant trees as much as possible and will try to avoid single-use products. I will reduce the use of paper, plastic and wood items. I will buy recycled items whenever possible or available. I will try to create awareness among my friends, family and neighbors about the consequences of deforestation so that they can contribute in saving our ecosystem rather than contributing in adverse climate change. I would humbly request you all to please extend your helping hands by inevitable ways so that in all ways we can save our beautiful planet from the adverse climate change. Thank you, World Climate School.
Hello everyone, I'm Yashu Paliwal and I am a climate friend. So, according to me, the biggest problem related to climate change is global warming, pollution and rising level of sea. And according to me, the possible solutions to climate change, rising level of sea, pollution, global warming are to stop or decrease the uses of digital gadgets like mobile phones, television, ACs, etc. And the biggest solution we can do for our nature is to stop cutting down trees and try to plant as much trees as possible. And if I talk about myself individually, I love to grow plants and I will grow many trees together and I will raise awareness about this climate change in our society so that everyone can come together and solve the issue of climate change. And I would like to say that don't make trees rare, keep them with care, and if trees on, global warming gone. Thank you. Thank you, World Climate School.